Hey guys, it's VertiBox Gaming here, and today we're doing another episode on Phantom Force's Valentine's Day update. Let's get into this. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a like on the video. If you guys want me to play a game, leave a comment down below what game I should play. So let's get into this and enjoy. Looting assets. Valentine's Day update. Valentine cases ad? Ooh, that's new. I wasn't there yesterday. Tier 2 cases. Tier 3 cases. Tier IV. Sick. That's awesome. So let's get into it. Shh. Okay. Okay, there's 44 seconds till this round's done. I already have one death. Wow. Defeat. Anything we do not understand is considerable to be the devil. That's funny. Okay, let's go over here. I have everyone here. Everyone here. Everyone here. And everyone here. You guys want me to use bullet trackers in that? I'll use it. Okay. Okay, put that on. Go, 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 go. Yes, this map. Go for the walls. The ASB baton. I'm using an ASB baton. I have a G17, and then a Dragunov SUV.
G17, bingo.
Okay, capturing this position. Go for B. Go for A. Ugh. Okay, squad deploy. Right there. Honey Badger. Capturing this hill. Ugh! 3 kills, 2 deaths. Let's get this party started. Okay, let's go over here. If you guys want to be sneaky on the people on that rooftop and it be B, go over here, up here, walk around up there and shoot them from the top. Ow! Don't do that. Wait till they're not looking. Wait, why? Okay, deploy. Okay, go this way. A. Okay, got you. Okay, go over here. Okay, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Damn it. Why? Why are you people shooting me? Okay, let's go get C. Okay. Jump down here. Don't jump. Don't. Go for A. Just hit somebody. Go. Damn it. Why? Ow, ow, ow. Yes, got another kill. 9 and 7. I think we can get her killed up farther. Oh. Go, 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 go. Ow. Why? Okay, get back in. Ow. Flip. Curse you, King Tyler. Okay, tell everybody I'm recording. Go, 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 go. Okay, go for here. Ow. Damn it. Okay. Damn it. Yes, victory. Any kid will run an errand for you if you ask them at bedtime. That's funny. Corf. Okay, don't care that. Come on. Open cage. Use key. I don't know why, but I get that every single time from this case. Booyah, baby. Headshot. I know. Okay. If you guys are new to my channel, leave a comment down below and I will happily welcome you in. If you guys are a YouTuber, leave your channel down below, sub to me, and I'll sub to you. Ketchup and bananas. I like to eat ketchup and bananas. I like to eat ketchup and bananas. Damn it. I like to eat ketchup and bananas. 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 Go, 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 go. Oh, jeez. In the Forza, there's a way of changing it like that. Okay, so Google Chrome minus